Welcome to Day 15 of Wisdom Academy AI, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled AI guide, and I'm so excited to be here today. Have you ever wondered how AI mimics the human brain to learn and make decisions, like recognizing images or predicting outcomes? We're diving into neural networks, the foundation of deep learning, and it's going to be magical. I brought my best friend Sophia to share the excitement. Over to you, Sophia. Neural networks are our focus today, and I'm so excited. They're models inspired by the human brain, designed to learn from data. They're made of interconnected nodes called neurons that work together to process information. They're used for tasks like classification, regression, and even image recognition. For example, they can recognize images or predict customer churn with high accuracy. Neural networks are a powerful AI brain simulation. I'm thrilled to explore them. Why use neural networks? Let's find out. I'm so thrilled. They handle complex nonlinear relationships in data, capturing patterns other models might miss. They're great for large datasets with many features, scaling well for big problems. They excel in tasks like image recognition, speech recognition, and more due to their flexibility. For example, they can predict diseases from symptoms with high accuracy. Neural networks are a magical tool for advanced AI. I'm so excited to use them. Let's see how neural networks work, and I'm so excited. The input layer takes data features, like age or income, as the starting point. Hidden layers process the data, learning patterns through interconnected neurons. The output layer gives the final predictions, like churn or not churn. Neurons connect with weights and biases, adjusting to improve accuracy. It's a magical flow of information. I'm thrilled to follow it. Training a neural network is fascinating, and I'm so excited. The forward pass makes predictions by passing data through the layers to the output. We calculate the loss, which is the difference between predicted and actual values. The backward pass, or backpropagation, adjusts weights to reduce the loss. We optimize using gradient descent, finding the best weights over time. It's a magical learning process. I'm thrilled to learn it. There are many types of neural networks, and I'm so thrilled. Feed-forward networks are simple, with data flowing forward from input to output. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, are great for images, capturing spatial patterns. Recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, handle sequences like text or time series data. For example, a CNN can classify images, identifying objects with high accuracy. This variety offers magical networks for different tasks. I'm so excited to explore them. Neural networks have amazing real-world applications, and I'm so inspired. They power image recognition, identifying objects and faces in photos with accuracy. They enable speech recognition, transcribing audio for assistants like Siri or Alexa. They drive recommendation systems, suggesting movies or products on platforms like Netflix. In medicine, they detect diseases from scans, aiding diagnosis. Neural networks are a magical tool for many fields. I'm so thrilled by their impact. Let's compare deep learning and neural networks, and I'm so excited. Neural networks are a general term for models with layered structures, like the ones we're learning. Deep learning refers to neural networks with many layers, often dozens or hundreds. Deep networks are better for complex tasks, like computer vision, due to their depth. They require more data and computation power to train effectively. It's a magical evolution of AI. I'm so thrilled to explore it. Here are tips for using neural networks, and I'm so thrilled. Start with small networks for simplicity, making them easier to understand and train. Normalize your data before training to ensure all features are on the same scale. Use dropout to prevent overfitting, randomly disabling neurons during training. Experiment with different layers and activation functions to find the best setup. Keep practicing your brain magic. I'm so excited for your progress.